Picture harnessing the immense power of a hurricane. Envision transforming its destructive force into a gentle breeze. In the hopeful aftermath of World War II, this vision captivated both scientists and the public. Could we, with our newfound scientific knowledge, control the weather itself? Could we tame the storm and shield ourselves from nature's wrath? The answer, as with most scientific endeavors, was both intricate and contentious. Our story begins in the late 1940s with the groundbreaking Project Cirrus. Scientists, inspired by wartime advancements in radar and meteorology, targeted a formidable adversary, the hurricane. Their ambitious goal was to weaken these swirling storms by altering their internal dynamics. Unbeknownst to them, their efforts would ignite a debate about scientific ambition and the ethics of manipulating nature, a debate that persists to this day. The crucible of the Second World War sparked a wave of scientific breakthroughs. Radar, initially designed to spot enemy planes, found a new role in monitoring weather patterns. Meteorologists, crucial to wartime strategies, emerged with a treasure trove of expertise. There was a widespread belief that science could tackle any challenge, even those posed by nature. Weather modification, once a fringe idea, now seemed achievable. Both scientists and the public gazed at the skies with a blend of hope and apprehension. Could we control rain, clear fog, or even redirect hurricanes away from cities? These possibilities, while thrilling, also brought up significant ethical dilemmas. One of the most passionate advocates for weather modification was Dr. Irving Langmuir, a Nobel Prize winner and General Electric researcher. Langmuir's wartime cloud seeding efforts, aimed at improving aircraft visibility, paved the way for Project Cirrus. He theorized that seeding hurricanes with dry ice could disrupt their energy balance and potentially reduce their strength. In 1947, Project Cirrus embarked on its mission. A hurricane, later named King, was brewing in the Atlantic Ocean, setting the stage for a pioneering experiment. On October 13th, a B-17 bomber, equipped with 36 silver iodide flares and 82 kilograms of dry ice, departed from a base in Florida. The objective, to seed the storm and study its effects. The aircraft ventured into the hurricane's core, facing fierce winds and heavy rain. The crew meticulously released their payload of dry ice into the storm's eyewall, the area of most intense activity. At first, the results looked encouraging. The hurricane, tracked by radar and reconnaissance aircraft, seemed to weaken slightly. However, the optimism was short-lived. Hurricane King, instead of being tamed, took an unforeseen turn. Rather than weakening, it abruptly changed course and struck near Savannah, Georgia. Although the storm had lost some strength, it still inflicted considerable damage. The public, initially hopeful about weather control, was furious. Allegations arose that Project Cirrus had unintentionally directed the hurricane towards land, leading to unnecessary destruction. The scientific community, surprised by the unexpected result, rushed to justify their experiment. They contended that the hurricane's altered path was likely due to natural variability, not the seeding. Section 5. Public outcry, tampering with nature's fury. The public's reaction to Hurricane King's unexpected landfall was immediate and intense. Headlines in newspapers accused scientists of playing God and meddling with nature's fury. Lawsuits were filed against the government and General Electric, blaming them for the storm's destruction. Project Cirrus, once a symbol of scientific hope, had turned into a focal point for controversy. The backlash against Project Cirrus underscored the complex ethical and legal issues of weather modification. Who had the authority to alter the weather even with noble intentions? Who would be held responsible if things went awry? These questions, far from being answered, would continue to challenge future efforts at weather control. Chapter 6. Project Storm Fury, A New Hope Ignites. Despite the challenges and controversies of Project Cirrus, the ambition to modify hurricanes endured. In the 1960s, a new effort called Project Storm Fury began with a more sophisticated strategy. Rather than just seeding the eyewall, Storm Fury scientists aimed to disrupt the hurricane's heat engine, its core power source. Their method involved seeding the hurricane's outer rain bands with silver iodide to foster new cloud formation. The goal was to disperse the storm's energy over a larger area, thereby lowering its peak intensity. Over the next 20 years, Project Storm Fury carried out numerous experiments, seeding several hurricanes with varying levels of success. Chapter 7. Ethical Dilemmas and Scientific Uncertainties. Although Project Storm Fury provided significant insights into hurricane behavior, it encountered numerous obstacles. Ethical debates about weather modification persisted, driven by the unknowns regarding its long-term impacts. Additionally, demonstrating the success of cloud seeding was challenging. Hurricanes are intricate and ever-changing systems, making it a statistical challenge to link any changes directly to human actions. By the 1980s, with rising costs and inconclusive outcomes, Project Storm Fury was terminated. The ambition to control hurricanes, though not completely abandoned, was set aside. The scientific community realized an important truth: nature's power, while potentially controllable, was far more intricate and unpredictable than initially thought. Section 8. A lasting legacy shaping modern weather research. Although Project Cirrus and Project Storm Fury did not meet their lofty objectives, they significantly influenced weather research. These groundbreaking initiatives led to advancements in hurricane forecasting, data collection, and computer modeling. The insights gained from these projects continue to enhance our understanding of hurricanes and improve our predictive capabilities. Furthermore, the ethical discussions initiated by early weather modification efforts are still pertinent today. As climate change exacerbates extreme weather events, the temptation to explore geoengineering solutions, including hurricane modification, is likely to re-emerge. The experiences from Project Cirrus and its successors serve as a reminder to approach climate intervention with caution and respect for the planet's delicate systems.